Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Cabbage Island flood emergency plan. I would like to express my respect and gratitude to the people of Benjialong. As a Chinese, it is my great honor to learn and understand the history and the culture of the Benjialong people. Then we talk about problem statement. First of all, the Aboriginal people have deep feeling for their homeland and are unwilling to live easier. Then after the flood, residents' needs for housing are the priority. This is what I want to solve by design. Let's move on to next page. I want to talk about frameworks. Using theoretical frameworks such as disaster risk reduction and the social ecological system, along with methodologies such as geographic information systems (GIS), participatory vulnerability assessment, and multi-stakeholder engagement can prove a comprehensive and inclusive approach to designing a solution for flood mitigation and response. Humanhut is an established company that provides shelters in containers. Their projects are complete and well equipped for living comfortable, but there are also limitations. First, the shelter may not be delivered to the disaster area immediately after the flood. Second, the container can only be used in relatively flat terrain. Third, the container is not suitable for flood diseases if it is close to the ground area. Finally, the model shelter can only meet people's daily needs, and children in disaster area hope to go to school as soon as possible. Let's move on to next page. In the beginning, I want to build an area that can be built quickly, free from flooding, and close to the Aboriginal community. The initial idea is to build with building scaffolding. Then I did some material research. According to the data, there are many kinds of specifications for building scaffolding. My idea is to minimize process, saving money while being environmentally friendly. In the same way, I investigated the standard size of some wooden boards and tried to use this material directly to avoid secondary processing. General scaffolding is easy to rust when stored for a long time. So I investigated the plastic spring process, which is more environmentally friendly and cost-effective than the electrolytic process. Therefore, the raw materials can be used after simple processing after purchase. After the material research, I made the 3D model and determined the size of material used. I mainly consider the durability of the material, the comfort and environmental protection of people use it, followed by the cost issue. Then I made a further design and draw the blueprint of the shelter. The reason why it looks like this is because the floods mostly happened in summer. I'm not worried about the insulation, but more about dry and ventilation. The materials I used are basically stand parts. Flexibility are the advantage. The following is the assembly structure of my work, which is completely step by step from simple part, very simple and ingenious. The next page is final rendering. I used a total of 79 scaffolding tubes and a total of 25 wooden squares and 178 scaffolding logs and waterproof clothes. There are some different views and detail of my works. At the final, I want to say, scaffolding shelters are more flexible and changeable. Not only have living areas, but also temporary schools, hospitals, or shops can be built. Thanks everyone, that's all.